Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to restore your deleted site in WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the WordPress icon, which is at the left top hand side of your screen. Now, you will see all of your sites here. You can also see the deleted site here, and to restore it, you'll simply need to click on Restore link here. Click on it and your site will be restored. So that is how you can restore your site in WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.